Chief Minister Okrami Bobi calls for all political party meeting to pressurize the President of India to give his assent to the three bills. Police prevent GCILP Women's Wing from storming BJP Manipur office at Nijai Pachatek. Senior advocate Khaidam Mani calls for open debate to clear misunderstanding about the three bills. And Sagol Sen Prasanta, who was found dead at Lelong Hauroibi Awang Lekai on April 27, cremated today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laitangma Monica, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh has called for an all-political party meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. to discuss the ILPS issue. In a press release, the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee stated that Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh have invited the leaders of all political parties to a meeting to discuss the next course of action. The press release also said a team will soon leave for Delhi to pressurize the President of India to give his assent to the three bills passed by the Manipur Assembly to protect the indigenous people of the state. It claimed that the Assembly unanimously passed the bills after considering the comments of all political parties, experts and leaders of civil society organizations. The release also said the MPCC President discussed the matter with the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister on Saturday and decided to hold an all-party meeting to pressurize the President of India to give his assent to the bills. Members of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System GCILPS Women's Wing today attempted to storm the office of the BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nijai Pachatek. However, the protesters were stopped at the gate of the BJP office by police personnel who were already posted at the site since morning. The women protesters refused to leave the place, saying that they will meet the leaders of the BJP. Tussle broke out between the police personnel and the GCILPS Women's Wing, and women protesters waited for the BJP leaders to come out from the office. Some representatives of BJP came out to meet them after the protesters waited for nearly half an hour. They assured the women agitators that the party would work in the interests of the people and they are discussing the issue. The women protesters then proceeded towards Kaisampat shouting slogans. The women protesters also tried to storm the Congress Bhavan at BT Road. Langtabal MLA Karam Shyam appealed to all the politicians to join hands to protect the indigenous people of the state. Speaking at the inauguration of Karam Youth Development Building in Karam Makhalekai today, the MLA said the people's agitation demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state is in the common interest of the people.
Leader Singsina, Akoi Natragana, Honorable CM Waragasu, Miang issues the Miang Horpon Naitana. Adi yang tungi porong si una makam matam sana action lopak bagi tangai fadawa madi using Manipur da oire adu ngasi yang all political party meeting sing tawakani haina thajabalai aduga masidi amagi wana tana lepaki shuoi manina adi akoi punna ona minaraga awang bathapta convince to minabagi tangai fadawa du adi thamoi da phaujai.
Janata Dal United Manipur unit stated that it is not time for the Congress and the BJP to politicize the issue of the inner line permit system. President of the party Moirang Them Tombi said the GDU fully supports the movement by the GCILPS to save the indigenous people and will participate in all agitations of the joint committee. He said the Congress government in the state and the BJP government in the centre should understand the inspiration of the people and get the assent of the president. Working president of Janata Dal's secular Manipur unit, Maisnam Noren, also supplemented what the president said. He said all parties should urge the president to give his assent.
Community is mut kanda, community is late kanda, Ryan Tito Karsukanaroi, Maramadra, अखोई इशागी जाति अखोई की इशागी कम्युनिटी अखोई इशागी कम्युनिटी की खोंगुल मुतन होना बना JDU अमदी जनता दल सेकुलर की अखोई असेटपा फिरेमने मरम मदना अथुम तमदा BJP अमदी कांग्रेस ना अमतोइन पुनसिन बिरेरगा दिल्ली ताना सतना प्रेसिडेंट की थोंगा नबो ओरो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की थोंगा नबो ओरो हंगर स्ट्राइक तौदना यादवना कइनो यावना कइनो अखोई दिल्ली दे सतपिरो अदुगा मणिपुर मियाम की अपाम पांगथोंगना होनबिरो.
President of Aam Aadmi Party Manipur Unit Thaudam Manihar has stated that the party has been supporting the demand for inner line permit system and will continue to support it to protect the indigenous people. Manihar today told the media at a press meet at Manipur Press Club and stated that the President of India has to make his stand clear on the 3 bills passed by the Manipur Assembly, whether he wishes to give his assent or not. He also urged the state government to seriously consider the issue facing the people and request for the President's assent.
Assembly Powder, Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Haibigre, Bangi among Karino, Habishi, Hainam Hoina, Haini, Sumi Mipun Kodimak, Bangi among Karino, Habsi, Yamani, Adum Oinamak, Aam Aadmi Party, na Haji Nibido, no Manini Pun Karagi Ban, Ashigi among Aduga, Tunda Manipuri, over yellow missing, she Purapuri Mutkiba, Aduga, Adugi among Aduga, Ani share. Yengabu matam da karam bani hene lumbage haibase Bharat Sarkar amasung Manipur Sarkar na masi khanthabiba matam helbani.
People held protests in various parts of Yai School constituency in support of the demand of JCILPS. Secretary of JCILPS Yai School Assembly constituency Chongtham Sunita demanded conversion of the 3 bills to act. Members of New Chakan Women Development Committee today staged a sit-in in protest of the agitation by JCILPS demanding conversion of the 3 bills to an act. They demonstrated in front of New Chakan Youth Club. Mairapaibi members of Moirang Ward No. 1 along with ISCO Moirang took out a torch rally last night in support of demand for ILPS. The rally was taken out from Moirang Bazar till police station. Senior Advocate Khaidam Mani today reiterated that the 3 bills passed by the Manipur Assembly to protect the indigenous people are not anti-tribal. Speaking at a press meet at his residence, the senior advocate called for an open debate in presence of the national media to clear the misunderstanding about the 3 bills passed by the Assembly. Drawing the attention of those who opposed the 3 bills, Khaidam Mani urged the people to voluntarily withdraw the bills if they are found to be anti-tribal in the open debate or jointly pressurize the centre to give consent to the bills if they are not anti-tribal. He said the JCILP has resumed its agitation due to the negligence of the government. He said the state government should have urged the President to give his assent sooner. Mani also stressed that tribal leaders of the state are aware that the 3 bills are not anti-tribal.
Nusinabatu Henjinabagidamukta, Hana passed Ogriba bill, home say anti-tribal oide, Natraga oi, Haibase, anti-tribal oi, Hainakan by Mimangama, Tarama, Putopiro, Laila Su Haibagi Maraktagi, Aduga Sonda, Bilga Soibakara Yauzarabu, anti-tribal Gawadi Late, Haibasida, Mioimanga Tarama, Puto Alesi, Aduga, Mapangi media, print and electronic media, Mayam Yauba. Aduga mayam amasutaba yaba choba hole amada choba lampa kumba amadane security na nga alaga missing mekai naidana debate tose.
Khaidam Mani stressed that under the Indian Constitution, the State Assembly cannot pass a bill which is against the interest of a particular community. He said the 3 bills clearly said that under the Section 2 of the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reform 1960 Act, the Act will not be implemented in the hills. Khaidam Mani appealed to the people not to call for ban or blockade to press any demand.
Bill ase asida asoiba aranba khara yaubiya ena khalleba koina so or hagadabada koma haibagumba adugi dudi bill duna ek olakanda amend togadabneba atopa mapangi mina hek yengmada Manipur chiching tam khaidok poina tamgi kangbuna tamgi interest samjin gare ga ina lana uhalibase masi chumde laikai dami ama sibigi ban thokdo wa thokama thokpigi su Manipur ban macheche masidi tokseba namdana sarkar na thingna ba ban machet tawriba sing asigi mathakta FIR lokhalo mi lising amagi interest aduna mi la kuntaret ki interest ta son ba yabra ai inde chalpa yaba chu khara chapchine akoi mating pangjage ne.
All Manipur Students Union AMSU has warned that if the Department of Minorities and Other Backward Classes MOBC fails to grant the scholarship to the minority and OBC students for the year 2014 and 15 by May 21, they would resort to intense agitation. AMSU's Secretary General Manjeet Sarangtem said the MOBC had deposited the scholarship amount to the accounts of a few students after they locked the MOBC office on April 18, but it stopped the deposit after a few days. He added that according to the Ministry of Minority Affairs and Ministry of Social Welfare, the scholarship amount has to be sanctioned to the students by November 21 each year. Manjeet said besides the delay in granting the scholarship to the students, MOBC has stopped transfer of funds to the students' accounts.
Asugumlaba Department Sigi Director Amadi Nodal Officer Amadi Minority Scheme Paiva Officer Sing Matau the Tausadaba Asigi Mayokta and Pumiamna Mairoi Kunaina Kaidong the suit to Mina Yangra Lay Toklo have a Kangzin fight scholarship is sent Pamado Hai Tambal or Matung the Panglobi Todok Pakana Lake Habatai. Department Asigi Officer Sing Namato Masa Kang the Vadagi Pangdrivano Mairo Singi Hak Malibano Haiba Wapum Emsun of Fongdolos with the Langak Pasigi looking Basing the 2 minute like Salibasigi Nungiba one talk Miamna Nainaba Matok Tai.
Coordinator of MSME Imphal Technical Center, Professor A.K. Mudgal said the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises is taking initiatives to establish a vermicompost unit under aromatic and medicinal plant cultivation project. Professor Mudgal made this statement after inspecting a vermicompost unit owned by Haubizam Soraren at Yumnam Kuno, Awang Likai. Speaking to media persons, he said people are taking interest in vermiculture and its product as people become aware of the harmful side effects of fertilizers. He also expressed satisfaction at the initiative of Haubizam Soraren and promised to give every possible help from the ministry.
When I came to know that there is such a huge unit here of vermicomposting already, so I wanted to see the unit, the capacity, how much worms are available, how much compost is available. Actually, we were planning earlier that from where we can get that much worms and that much compost. It is good to see that here this is a commercial unit and they are doing it very professionally also. Normally farmers or people, when they do this, they make a small pit and put some worms and put some waste. Here they are doing it professionally. So it is a good support for this project.
Haubizam Soraren expressed his happiness and satisfaction over the visit of the ministry's officials and appealed to the government to help the farmers set up vermicompost units.
Vermicompost ki organic farming ki sida mating khajang pangjam ngamnaba haidna ina 2015 dagi hai unit si establish tawjalapuni unit sina hoji pokda tha 45 days ki crop sida I ton kun mo putok jaba ngami adu kanagumba sinau sing lai thaba labuk ki sinau ministry ni singa hai be poti finish product ne yum step laire adu yumnang kunu awal kai sida amaga amana kashamto yum puki mapanda sigi business outlet amaga market outlet amaga hayam from sida phambigani bank kumana natraga government state government ki mating phangagadi farming se fazana sapthok hanbagi kudong sabudi legine.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Manipur gi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na chingba su lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna yingzagan ngasimak unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piva car Sigi features Sindi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalising mga khatana book Tobi Horo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Delta Tutorance for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4 Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. The last rites of Sagol Semprasanta of Kakwang Namarapam Lekai were performed today, 11 days after he was found hanging at Lilong Haurobi, Awang Lekai. The body of Prasanta was collected from the Rim's morgue by the family and people of Kakwang this morning. The funeral was held this afternoon around 2. It may be recalled that Sagol Semprasanta was found hanging from a fig tree at Lilong Haurobi, Awang Lekai on the 27th of last month. Co-convener of the JC against his death, Thongam Lalmani, said the JC has not yet come to an agreement with the government. He said the JC decided to perform the funeral as Lai Harauba in the locality has been postponed due to Prasanta's death and the ritual has to be concluded to avoid consequences.
Lagi tabak singsi angkau tergadi, bunda lekai miam dah hena awaba misi mina tolak paya bagi pibam sila kudigi ekoina asib hacang si angai fadana lauraga lagi pibam pangkau nana bawana jabune adumaku asib hacang laure haiduna ekoina Prasanta misi kita makta siam kiba JC mutat bagi wafam di lairoi maram di mihat asida senari ba amadi aing di waiba langla langjin kuding mak putok di bawba JC mutaloi makata ba khongjang sarkar da tawya ba tabak tawgani.
JC against the death of Bachaspati Mayum Pitaranjan held a sit-in at Nomaibung or Jagwan Bazaar. JC representatives and family members of Pitaranjan took part in the sit-in and demanded punishment for those involved in his death.
Hauzibo Wadashu, Pitaranjan gi Langla Lanjin, Mabuka Mato Karam Siribano, Haibagi, Karimata Pangdavana Maram Oidana. Akoy si masi akoy nagchangi ba khongjang asi hanto aroi haina lepna jare aduga hauki ba postmortem gi report sing hauki ba police na pha ba police na government site gi makhoi ani phare akoy na chingnei haiba macha nupi duga adu mapa duga phai haidana tawbagi interrogation gi report tu hozibho basu akoy da karimta khangba leite.
The seized work by Joint Administrative Council for all Manipur under 5-ton passenger service in protest against the one-time tax has hit the commuters. They are protesting the order of the state government to impose one-time tax on passenger vehicles below 5 tons from April 1. The order was issued on March 22. The passenger vehicles include auto rickshaws, Tata Magic, Winger, Tata 407 and Tata DI. The seized work badly affected the passengers. Convener of the council, Laikhuram Somorendro, said the decision to seize work was taken at a meeting of 70 societies under the council held on April 27 at Manipur Press Club. He said the council in a memorandum urged the government to withdraw the order by the 5th of this month. He once again urged the government to withdraw the order. He also appealed the release of volunteers arrested in connection with the seized work.
One-time tax asi akoi sura nom laga hingjariba gari sing asina thibada sungam moi haibase miam da akoi na sengna mamut sengna taksari ngasi asigum laga akoi khongjang asi changchan bada akoi gi Manipur gi Laibiriba law enforcement singna khongjang loi yangkhai hena phajiliba si yamna thu matam da thadok piduna makoi sing asi akoi ngasi okto thoraga magic thoraga natraga winger thoraga nongmagi chara tanjariba ngaktani asigum lawa chara taliba mio sing asi dabu awaba pibiganu haiduna Manipur miam amadi mari lainaba department singda joint council gi makai dagi norukchari.
Meanwhile, Kalam Tata Magic Owners Cooperative Society Limited has stated that the passenger vehicles operated in Thoubal district will support the seized work of the JSA. Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar, who represents Khundrakpam Assembly constituency, today inaugurated the new building of Caesar Primary School and a multi-purpose community hall at Jingaril Tezpur in Khundrakpam. Director Education S. N. Pravin was among those present at the inaugural function. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch today organized a blood donation camp on the occasion of World Red Cross Day. The camp was held at its office on MG Avenue. More than 50 volunteers donated blood at the event. A drawing competition for school children was also held in connection with the World Red Cross Day. Young students of various schools participated in the competition. The new executive members of All Ziribam Working Journalists Union were elected at a meeting today. NG Biswajit has been elected President, A. Lukhoy Vice President and S. Herajit General Secretary. Lions Club of Nambol was opened with the initiative of Lions Club of Moirang. The event was held at Public Theatre at Nambol Poising in presence of office bearers of Lions Club, International Districts 322D and residents of the area. Vice President of Meitei Council Moray L. Tomba has urged the government to open an office of employment exchange in the border town, which is inhabited by various communities. Tomba said due to the absence of an employment exchange, educated youth in the town face serious grievances while applying for government jobs. An earthquake measuring 4 on the Richter scale rocked Meghalaya and other northeastern states and parts of Bangladesh yesterday. Official sources said there were no immediate reports of any casualty or damage to property. According to a regional seismological center official, the tremor was felt at 3:13 p.m. with its epicenter located in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. 7 of the northeastern states, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur are considered by seismologists as the 6th major earthquake-prone belt in the world. In 1897, the region experienced an earthquake measuring 8.7 on the Richter scale that left over 1,600 people dead and inflicted heavy damage on property. Indian People's Theatre Association Manipur observed Anti-Fascism Day at the Lining Thau Pakhangba Haraubung Kundrakpam today, commemorating the Soviet Union's Red Army's victory over Hitler on May 8, 1945 during the Second World War. Kalakshetra Manipur director H. Kanhailal, Padma Bhushan awardee, was the chief guest on the occasion. Speaking at the occasion, the president of the association, Dr. M. Nara, compared today's unrest in the society with fascism, and he stressed the significance of observing the Anti-Fascism Day.
Ngasigi prithibhi asidi anoba prithibhi amani lol dharma jati kuchu khenaba punamak kauthongnaraga punna nungsi chanana hingminnaba lalgi mayokta amasung santi gi damak marup oibagi damak Manipur gi itihas da aikhoi gi ipta hari basangsan se barot ki ning tambagi andalonda British bu barot gi tanthona bhona bada saitana jagoina isaina lilana filmna prajamia masigi wakhal hongan giba samrajbadi ge dum sasona do barot gi lokthokna bhona bada khwai gi chauna daita logiba dum sangstana duni.
The first Foundation Day of PK Movies Wangkaya Yangpali was celebrated today at Government Dance College, Palace Compound. Principal of the Government Dance College, Ranjit Adhikari, who was awarded Manipur State Kala Academy Award 2013, was felicitated at the event. Producer of PK Movies Wangkaya Yangpali, Prem Kumar, emphasized the need to make films based on the happenings in Manipur and show them not only in the state but in other parts of the country. Boxing coach Moirangthem Narjit and football coach Taurangbam Purnachandra of Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Department, who have retired from their service, were given farewell today. Coaches Association Manipur today held the farewell at Kuman Lampak. Gifts were presented to the 2 coaches and other retired coaches of the department. M. Narjit had coached several national and international boxers of the state. T. Purnachandra has coached a number of football players who have played in national as well as international tournaments. All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association Manipur today felicitated the bodybuilders of the state who had participated and won prizes in many national and international bodybuilding championships held during the year 2015 and 16. The event was held at Manipur Press Club. JNIMS Director Professor L. Devin, who is also the chief patron of the association and president of the association, and Ratan and members of the association attended the event. Now the sports news. Chhattisgarh Hockey and Mumbai Hockey Association were drawn 1-1 in a match of the 6th Hockey India Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship B Division played today. In the other league matches played today, Hockey Madhya Pradesh thrashed Hockey Gujarat 6-3. Bengal Hockey Association defeated Hockey Madhya Bharat 2-0. Hockey Bihar dropped Citizen Hockey 11 Delhi 5-15-0, while Assam Hockey trounced Hockey Karnataka 6-1.
Please, sir, talk to me.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi calls for all political party meeting to pressurize the President of India to give his assent to the 3 bills. Police prevent GCILP Women's Wing from storming BJP Manipur office at Nitepa to take. Senior advocate Khaidem Mani calls for open debate to clear misunderstanding about the 3 bills. And Sagol Prasanta, who was found dead at Lilong Haurobi Awang Lekai on April 27, cremated today. Thank you very much for being with us.